Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing. I got my first Empriente piece and I'm pretty excited because this is a piece that I've been actually wanting for a long time. I've always wanted like the really fun colors, and I've really wanted something that was just, I don't know, I just like having something that's much more colorful, playful, not that serious, but still very functional. So I've always wanted the Rosalie coin purse, and I've wanted it for years, but every time there was a fun color that was out, it was always out of stock, so I was never able to get my hands on it. And to be honest, it wasn't really a huge priority. And so I just was kind of patient about it. And so when the last drop came out for the Rosalie coin purse that I wanted, which was the Murakami collection in the multicolor, that's what I really wanted. And of course I could not get that. So I just decided randomly to check the website just to see what other options there were. And I was pleasantly surprised they had some really fun summer colors, and I am definitely a coral kind of girl. I also don't own anything in Empriente leather, and I love Louis Vuitton leathers. I have made videos on it. I really prefer their leathers to their canvas, and when I saw it in the Empriente and in such a fun color, I was like, oh, this is totally me. So I got this coin purse in, it's called Sweet Coral, and sweet it is. It is such a beautiful, fun pop of color, and I would use this year round. I'm one of these people who does not change out their wallet too often, so I am definitely going to be using this for the long term. I've been using the same Burberry little slim wallet, but it's kind of like a medium size. I would say it's pretty comparable to this. It's just a bit skinnier and a tiny bit longer. And the problem with that is that I don't have anywhere to put coins. And while I don't carry any cash normally, I do carry coins because we have like $1 and $2 coins here. So I just want to make sure that I have a space for it that doesn't get lost with all my other stuff when it comes to receipts and cards and things like that. So this is so cute. Now what makes this different is that it's Empriente, obviously. It's a really fun color. I know the canvas version has like a slot here, which this does not on the Empriente version, so that is different and something to keep in mind. But the button is also different. It has this really pretty blossom flower on the button, so it's not just a regular brass button with no design on it. I think that's a really cute touch, and just I really do think it makes it so much nicer and just a lot more, I don't know, I know it sounds stupid, but it's a lot more exciting to have something, just one of those little details makes a big difference on the design. So it's a little flap, but it's more than just a card holder. So it's got like this back slip pocket where you can put a driver's license or health card or something like that. There's another slip pocket here on the back, and then another slip pocket here, and then of course the open compartment where you can slide multiple cards in here. Then there's also the zipper, which is where you can put coins and things like that in there. And it's very, I will say I appreciate this tab here because it definitely makes it easy to open and close, very smooth zipper, but you just have to be careful so it doesn't bend and get all wonky to make sure you place it back straight before you button it. And it doesn't have like a huge popping sound when you button it, but I will say when you unbutton it, you hear it. So it's definitely buttoned, you just don't hear that satisfying like snap. Sorry. Yeah, a little bit. It's not like that satisfying pop sound. So this is all that I wanted to share with you. It has been on my wish list for a couple of years now, so I'm glad I finally got it. And like I said, I'm gonna switch this out with my current wallet so that this will be my go-to for the next year or so. I have a few card holders for sure that I love, and I do change those out when I have smaller bags, but I would say this definitely fits in any kind of size bag. Okay, so just for comparison, I'm gonna show you against a phone because I think that kind of gives us a lot of relativity with everyday objects. So I have the iPhone 15, and this is the Pro, not the Max, and it is probably, I would say, nearly 2 inches shorter than the iPhone Pro 15, and it's the same width as the iPhone Pro 15. So if that gives you any sort of comparison, then that might be helpful. But also in terms of depth, this is leather, so it's going to be a little bit thicker than your canvas option, but I don't think it's like anything, I don't think it's anything too bad. So I'll just show you if you want to see how it fits relative to like a medium baguette, which I know is obviously going to fit, but just to show you how much space is inside, I mean, it's tons. And I have a bag organizer in here. I would say a small to medium size wallet, but super handy, just really flexible and very functional. So if you have a Rosalie coin purse, let me know how it wears for you. I'm a little concerned sometimes, like I know that the button wears down on a lot of wallets, especially in a snap closure because of the constant use. So let me know if that has worn down for you, if you've had any issues with glazing, and how you're enjoying especially the empreinte. That would be really helpful. So share those with me in the comments below. I apologize if there's a lot of noise outside. There's a lot of construction happening right now. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you hit the thumbs up. That really helps my small channel out. And if you want to binge watch any of my other videos, you can do that here. And I will see you next time.